Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class. Today date is 14 December 2020 and I am teaching you chapter number 20 and name of the chapter is Our Messages. So student, let do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So in the previous video student, we are doing the question answer of chapter number 20. So take out your book, we have completed question number E. Give short answer to the following questions. So these three questions we have already completed in the classwork copy. Then question number F. Give detailed answer to the following questions. So question number F. Question number F. Give detailed answers. Give detailed answers. So question number 1. What are the uses of the internet? So this question we have already completed. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन हमने ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट कर लिया. What are the uses of the internet? Now let's start with the second question. What is mass communication? Question number 2. What is mass? What is mass communication? What is mass communication? Name some popular means of mass communication. So student, okay, first of all I discuss this answer with you and after that you will note down the answer in your classwork copy. So student, in the beginning when I started the chapter, when we are talking about means of communication, then it is divided into two parts: means of mass communication, means of personal communication, and means of mass communication. So first part is, what is mass communication? See student, when we communicate with large number of people at the same time is known as means of mass communication. Is it clear? So what is means of mass communication? That when we communicate with large number of people at the same time, this mean of communication is known as mass communication. And when I have already explained you also, when we are talking about the means of mass communication, then we have newspaper, magazines, newspaper, magazines, books, radio, television, cinema hall. Okay, so student, see, all these are cinema halls. You watch films in there. So student, see, newspaper, magazine, books, radio, television and cinema halls where you watch the movies, or you can say films. So newspaper, this newspaper, magazine and books, these are mean of mass communication. Large number of people read newspaper, magazines and books. Okay, so and all these are in the printed form. ये किस फॉर्म में हमें देखने को मिलती है बेटा? सारी आप न्यूज़पेपर देख लो या मैगजीन्स देख लो या बुक्स देख लो, यू विल गेट द मैटर इन द प्रिंटेड फॉर्म, और आपको रीड करना होता है, ठीक है, प्रिंटेड फॉर्म में, इसलिए इसे हम प्रिंट मीडिया भी बोलते हैं. दैट इज द रीजन हम इसे प्रिंट मीडिया भी बोलते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? इसलिए हम इसे प्रिंट मीडिया भी बोलते हैं. ओके, न्यूज़पेपर है, मैगजीन्स हैं, बुक्स हैं. सो न्यूज़पेपर, व्हेन यू ओपन योर न्यूज़पेपर, you will see there is a national news is given in the newspaper. So the event in any part of the country, you can know about that with the help of your newspaper. And after that, local news is also given in that newspaper. For example, you are living in Varanasi. So what is the local news of Varanasi? That is also you will find in the newspaper. Next, international news. In this way, you are in touch with the world also. Okay. So international news means news of the other countries. So that also you will find in your newspaper. Then there is a sport news of your country and in all other part of the world. That news also you will get in the newspaper. There is a one page for the students also. Okay, what type of job they can try. For the small kids, stories are also in the newspaper. So complete knowledge of all the things you can get with the help of your newspaper. After that, magazines. When we are talking about the magazines, so magazines are printed. There are some weekly magazines also. Some magazines printed weekly, some magazines printed monthly, and some magazines printed yearly. So in this manner also, this is also one of the important mean of mass communication. Large number of people read the magazines. So this is also a very effective or good method of means of mass communication. Another is the books. See student, you are studying in class 4 and I am teaching you EVS. So all the books of class 4 student are same. Same written message is all the books. So books, your books are also a example of means of mass communication. Is it clear? Next, now student, next is the radio, television and cinema hall. So student, when I teach you personal mean of communication, so when a telephone comes, when telephone invented, जब टेलीफोन इन्वेंट हुआ था तो इट बिकम द फास्टेस्ट मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. You can talk with your friend, relatives or family member in any part of the country, or even if they are in abroad, means they are in other country, you connect with them with the help of a telephone. But after some time, the more advanced mean of communication that comes is known as your smartphone, you can say, or you can say mobile phone. You can say mobile phone. See, telephones, they are connected with the wires. Mobile phone are not connected with the wires. They are not connected to the wire. So student, see, and telephone is the fastest mean of communication. You can talk in any part of the country or world with the help of telephone. Same thing in mobile also. You can talk in any part of the country or world with the help of the mobile. But there are many advanced features are present in your mobile phone. If you want to see the face of your relative or anyone, you can do video calling also. So very advanced technologies are present in mobile phone, and the most important thing is that you can carry your mobile phone with you. आप अपने मोबाइल फोन को अपने साथ कैरी करके भी जा सकते हो. इज इट क्लियर? इन द सेम मैनर, इसीलिए मैंने टेलीफोन और मोबाइल को इसलिए यहां कंपेयर किया, सो डैट इन अ सिंपल मैथड you will understand the difference between radio and television. In a old time, television is the most popular means of mass communication. जो आपका रेडियो था, it is the most popular mean of mass communication in the old time. And in radio broadcast ऑडियो प्रोग्राम. अब रेडियो में क्या था? रेडियो में जो भी प्रोग्राम आते हैं, यू कैन ओनली हेयर द साउंड. आपको सिर्फ साउंड ही सुनाई देती है. जैसे ये इसकी बात की, न्यूज़पेपर, मैगजीन और बुक्स, ये प्रिंट मीडिया है. ऑल द थिंग्स आर इन द प्रिंटेड फॉर्म. सारी बातें लैंग्वेज फॉर्म में लिखी हुई हैं. ठीक है. अब देखो नेक्स्ट टेक्निक आई रेडियो. यहां चीजें आपको सुनाई देने लगी. ठीक है. ऑडियो प्रोग्राम, जो भी आपको मैसेज आ रहे हैं, जो यही आ रहे हैं, अब आप जो भी है, अब ऑडियो मतलब अब पहले देखो टेक्नोलॉजी स्लोली कैसे अप होती गई. पहले ये सब चीजें आई, ये प्रिंटेड फॉर्म थे. ठीक है. अब ये देखो रेडियो प्रोग्राम जो ब्रॉडकास्ट होते हैं रेडियो में प्रोग्राम, वो कैसे होते हैं? ऑडियो होते हैं. यू आर एबल टू हेयर द साउंड. और रेडियोज में द प्रोग्राम विच यू आर एबल टू सी इन द रेडियो लाइक न्यूज. ठीक है. आप रेडियो में क्या क्या देख सकते हो? सुन सकते हो. हिंदी न्यूज, इंग्लिश न्यूज, सॉन्ग्स, ओल्ड सॉन्ग्स, न्यू सॉन्ग्स, इवन प्ले, ड्रामा and educational program for the farmer also, how they can increase the fertility of the soil, how they can increase the quality of the crop by using the high quality seeds. So many programs are broadcast in the radio. Now after that, when the television is invented, then it become the most popular. Why? Because both the facilities are available in the television. Audio, video, both the facilities are available in the television. Okay, audio and video also. So now what's happened? जैसे इसमें हुआ, टेलीफोन था, यू कैन टॉक एनी पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री और वर्ल्ड. अब ये मोबाइल फोन में क्या हो गया? यहां आपका मन कर रहा है तो आप वीडियो भी देख ले रहे हो. ज्यादा एडवांस आ गया ना बेटा. अब आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो? वीडियो भी वॉच कर ले रहे हो. तो इन द सेम मैनर जहां हुआ, पहले रेडियो क्या था? सिर्फ तुम्हारा ऑडियो प्रोग्राम देना था. और टेलीविजन में ऑडियो वीडियो दोनों आ गई. तो ये और एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी आ गई एंड इट चेंज द लाइफ ऑफ द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. अब चीजें और ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होने लगी, है ना. अब आप अपने घर में बैठे हो, यू ओपन योर टेलीविजन एंड यू कैन वॉच एनी इवेंट, लाइव इवेंट इन द वर्ल्ड में कहीं भी कोई लाइव इवेंट हो रहा है. जैसे आप लोग देखो क्रिकेट के मैचेस, इंडिया जाती है ऑस्ट्रेलिया टूर पे खेलने, वेस्ट इंडीज जाती है, इंग्लैंड जाती है. तो इतनी दूर हमें जाने का टाइम नहीं है, लेकिन हम सारे लाइव मैचेस अपने टेलीविजन पे देख सकते हैं. सो ड्यू टू दिस एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी हैज चेंज आवर लाइफ एंड दिस इज द मोस्ट मॉडर्न मीन ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन. ये बहुत मॉडर्न मीन किसका है? मास कम्युनिकेशन का है. दिस इज द most modern mean of mass communication. Is it clear? This is the, अब नेक्स्ट हुआ स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट क्या है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल टेलीविजन की बात कर ली, सिनेमा हो गया, रेडियो। अब इसमें नेक्स्ट अगर हम लोग बात करते हैं तो अब जो टेलीविजन आ गया ये मोस्ट क्या आ गया? एडवांस आ गया। दिस इज द एडवांस मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन आ गया। ये क्या आ गया? एडवांस मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन आ गया। अब सिनेमा हॉल, सिनेमा हॉल इज आल्सो अ मीन ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन। ठीक है। सो बिकॉज इन सिनेमा हॉल्स यू वॉच द मूवीज और यू कैन से यू वॉच द फिल्म्स। ठीक है, आप मूवी देख सकते हो सिनेमा हॉल्स में या आप फिल्म बोल सकते हो। तो दिस इज आल्सो अ वेरी गुड मीन ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन। ठीक, तो ये आपको पूरा डिक्टेट कर दिया। अब आंसर लिख लेते हैं कॉपी में। मास कम्युनिकेशन, आंसर लिखो बेटा। मास कम्युनिकेशन, मास कम्युनिकेशन mass communication is a means of communication, is a mean of communication is a mean of communication where large number of people where large number of people are communicated at the same time. At the same time. Some examples, newspaper, radio, television, extra. Okay, now television is the best among these। क्योंकि टेलीविजन क्या है बेटा? ये सबसे एडवांस मीन ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन है, सबसे एडवांस मीन्स ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन है। आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया करो बेटा, फिर नोट किया करो। ठीक है, आप वीडियो में से बहुत बच्चे चलती वीडियो में से नोट करते हो पॉज कर करके, तो वहां उतनी क्लियरिटी नहीं रहती. इट इज बेटर दैट यू टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ द आंसर एंड देन नोट डाउन इन योर क्लास वर्क कॉपी. Next question is mobile phone. Next question, question 3. Mobile phones have become a mobile phones have become an essential part of our lives. ठीक. अब देखो, इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रेजेंट टाइम की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो मोबाइल फोन्स क्या है. ठीक है, मोबाइल फोन्स हैव बिकम एन एसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ. सो व्हाट आर द रीजन. जब हमने मोबाइल फोन पे डिस्कशन की थी तो हमने बताया था बेटा आपको, इन द मोबाइल फोन देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फीचर्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द मोबाइल फोन. फर्स्ट, द मोबाइल फोन इज नॉट कनेक्टेड टू द वायर. जैसे आपके टेलीफोन्स थे, दे आर कनेक्टेड टू द वायर. सो मोबाइल फोन्स आर नॉट connected to the wire. Now when they are not connected to the wire, it means that we can carry mobile phone with us. ठीक है. Another thing, we can carry mobile phones with us. And next thing is that in a mobile phone you can talk to any your friend or relative in any part of the country or in abroad also. And even if you want to do video calling, to want to see the face of the person to whom you are talking, so you can do video calling also with your mobile. Lot of facilities are present in the mobile. You can watch your favorite television channels in your mobile phone. You can send emails to your friends with the help of your mobile. Or if you want to watch any live event in the world, you can watch in your mobile also. Recording facilities also available in the mobile. How you take the pictures with the help of the camera, so this facility is also available in the mobile. We can take the pictures and we can send picture messages also with the help of our smartphone, or you can say mobile phone. And even you can do video recording also. You can do video recording also with your mobile. And many, even with the help of your mobile, you can do online shopping also. you can pay the electric bill. All these facilities are present in the mobile. That is the reason the mobile phones have become an essential part of our lives. Thank you, student.